Interested in a 2001 Holden Commodore?
You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle. Connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission.
Run all over town without worrying about filling up.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: a CD player, central locking, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes.
The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features.
If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.